Good morning, peeps. It's your boy, Colorado Man. We are heading off to Walmart. It is about, I know my clock on my car says 8:24. I think it's like 6:30 something. But when we get to Walmart, we'll see what we find. And yeah. We just got to Walmart. Let's see what we can find. This Walmart has been out of stock for a very long time. So hopefully they have some goodies for us in there. So let's go check. So it looks like we got some H case in. I don't really see anything crazy. What's anything crazy? Nope. We do have some H case though. The Honda bike. You know this is a super treasure, guys. H case. Fast Feed. Looks like someone already hit this. We do have a Ford Bronco on the back. Jeep Wagoneer. Right. Any premiums. That's all they have for this store. We do got some Mopar. We also have those sets up there too. We also have a Porsche. But yeah, it doesn't really look like this Walmart is in stock. Alright guys, so we did find some stuff. We found some 2023 Nissan Zs. Now these were in the dump bin below all the pegs, and couldn't pass them up because, you know, Nissans are pretty dope as well. Wish I could have found some Skylines like yesterday, but, you know, it is what it is. And then we also got, I think we only got 3 cars. We got another Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and this is from the Fast and the Furious. It looks like my local Walmart did get H cases. This Walmart has been out for a while. Is that the only one? No, we got one more. And then we got this Lamborghini FK P37. Someone's alarm is going off behind me. But yeah, that is today's finds. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're off to see the Wizard at another Walmart. We're off to another Walmart is what I try to like say, but it's like 6 something in the morning. I'm still not awake. So I'll see you guys at the other Walmart. All right, so we're at my local Target. I haven't been here in maybe a couple weeks because this place, just like the last Walmart, wasn't getting anything. The last Walmart had Gran Turismo cars, but they didn't have any Supras. I think someone already hit it. I was seeing a lot of Porsches, like yellow Porsches, Mustangs. But I think people are just into the, like, you know, the JDM. I think whoever is buying this stuff is actually just, you know, buying it and then reselling on eBay for more, which I think is crazy because a car like that is worth like $3. So there's no point of like racking up sales on a $3 car. But, you know, if they're only a limited time for the year, then I could see why they're going to do that. But it just makes no sense to me. So I'm going to walk into Target. I'm probably not going to film in there. I'm trying to get used to filming. But let's see what we can find. All right, no luck at Target. At least we got a few cars today, but look at that Colorado. We got that Colorado clouds out there. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Late.